This is Aldo Salazar from DMX Performance, and I show you in this video how you can install your rock sliders in your Canam X3. Okay? Here's the stick. You need a drill. I need special tools. Need this tool for 38 millimeters. Okay. Second step, in your canam you need located the points. All X3 have these points, small points. Okay. For install the rock slider, only need located 3 points. This is one. This is the second, and this is the third. When you can look here down, it's the original point. It's the second original point and the 3 original point. You need mark first 5 millimeters up when they make. Okay, it's very important we do not put here in the point, because you need 5 millimeters up. Okay, well, after this you need drill the plastic. When you have a make with the tool of 38 millimeters, okay, this is one. This is the second. And this is the third. Okay, well, when you have ready this, you need cut a piece of plastic is inside for, look at that. You need to cut it with the knife something. That's it. So, okay. And inside you can see the OM have a drill, OM drill. Okay. Next one. And this one. If you can look, this is the reason why it's very important of the mark of the point up 5 millimeters, because it's not center of the real drill of your roll cage. Okay. The next step, it's you have 3 bolts, the 8 millimeters something. It's important to say this bolt is down the car. It's up. No, I don't know. Okay. Let me show you in the video. Okay. Okay, this is the first bolt. The second bolt, you can locate it inside of the canam here. It's very easy for put. It's another one. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, and the third, with its most difficult, in your canam you have here located here. Okay, but you need to remove here one plastic. You remove, it's very easy for remove, and you can hear the drill for put the bolt. Okay, this is the third bolt, and the install of your rock slider in your canam, it's ready. Okay, this is the example how you can install the rock slider DMX in your canam. Remember, when you drill your plastic, you can keep here when 4 inches. Para remover este plastic. Remove that a little plastics. You need to cut it. The little pieces plastic, you know. Okay. In the tree grill, and it's all. It's very easy, and thank you.